Hi guys, this is Jody cooking. Welcome back to my channel. Guys, today I'm gonna make you roast chicken. Yeah, so this is my chicken. This is what it look like. It already washed, it's clean, and as you can see guys, I slice my chicken because I want all the seasoning to go right in. Yeah, so these are all my seasoning. So here I have paprika, I also have rosemary, I also have parsley, and I also have chili flakes, garlic powder, black pepper, all-purpose seasoning, and chicken seasoning. And this is 1 spoonful of everything. Yeah. And I also have some mixed herb. Yeah. And here I also have some butter. This is a 1 big spoonful of butter. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna rub my butter all over my chicken just to make it nice and moist. And you can always use a gloves guys, but I like using my bare hand, so I don't mind. Make sure all the butter get right inside. So after you rub your chicken up with the butter, you're gonna add your seasoning. So you're gonna mix all your seasoning together. And notice guys, I haven't really used salt in my food, especially my meat, because the seasoning already full of so many salt, so I tried to cut down on the salt. But you can always add salt if needed. So I'm just gonna sprinkle all my seasoning on my chicken like so. And I'm gonna also turn it over. All that seasoning guys smell amazing. You're gonna turn it so all the seasoning go in the middle also. And you're also gonna add some vegetable oil, around 1 spoonful. You're just gonna take your hand and just dab all this seasoning in the chicken. And guys, for a better result, you can always marinate your meat if you want to, but I'm not gonna do that because I don't have no time for that. I just want to cook it, and it's gonna taste good same way, honestly. So it is finished seasoning. So here I have a tray, and to my tray I had a baking paper, and I also add some vegetable oil, just like a teaspoonful. I'm just gonna put my vegetable oil all over my paper so the chicken doesn't stick. I guess so. So now I'm gonna add my chicken. So you're gonna lay your chicken down like this. Just make sure it is flat. Yeah, like so. And you're gonna put it in your oven, guys, for at least 40 minutes and 150 degrees. So see you back. So I just removed my chicken from the oven, and this is what it look like. Guys, it smells so good. I'm telling you, it just been in my oven just over 40 minutes. So this gravy that you see at the bottom, I'm gonna take it and just put it all over my chicken so it moist. So make sure you put it all over. And I'm gonna put it back in my oven, guys, just for another 40 minutes and 150 degrees. So stay tuned. So guys, that liquid that left back from your baked chicken, you don't want to waste that, because that's where all the flavor is. We are going to make some nice and delicious gravy with that liquid. So stay tuned. Just take a container and just pour it all in, and you just leave it on the side. Make sure you remove all that liquid. Don't leave anything. So I just removed my chicken from the oven, and this is what it look like. It is finished, guys. It is so juicy. It is so nice and juicy. I'm telling you, this is exactly how I want it. It's perfect, and it smells so good. Look at it, guys. Just look. Absolutely delicious. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna plate it up for you guys and show you guys how it looks on the plate. So now I'm gonna make my gravy for my baked chicken. So here I have a pot on the stove, and my pot is hot. So what I'm gonna do, that sauce that left from my baked chicken, I'm gonna put it in my pot. And I'm gonna also add some flour. That's 2 spoonfuls of plain flour. Just gonna give it a stir. And I'm gonna also add some butter. That's 1 teaspoonful of butter. And the reason why I'm doing this, guys, because I don't want my gravy to be flour, you know, to taste of flour. So the butter and the gravy remove that flour taste from it. So that's the reason why I'm doing it like this. You just keep stirring it for at least 1 minute or so. So now I'm gonna add 1 cup of boiling water. Just give it a stir. Guys, when it finishes, it's gonna look perfect. So never mind. And you're just gonna continue to stir it. And I'm gonna also add some more water. This is half a cup. So guys, don't worry, everything is gonna dissolve and become really smooth. And I'm gonna also add some soya sauce just to give it some color. That's around 4 teaspoonful. And I'm gonna also add some seasoning. So here I have some all-purpose seasoning, some garlic powder, some black pepper, some salt, and some rosemary. So this is 1 teaspoonful of everything. So guys, I'm gonna add my remaining sauce from my roast chicken to my pot. That's gonna be so good, guys. You just make sure you add all of that liquid that left, because that's where all the flavor is. As you can see, guys, it is getting thick, and this is exactly how you want it. It is nice and smooth. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna taste it for you guys. Guys, that is so good. That is absolutely delicious. I wish you guys could just taste it right now. It is so good. Guys, you can always add more seasoning to it if it need any more seasoning. I'm just gonna leave it for at least 5 minutes and then it's finished. So my gravy is all finished, and this is what it look like. Nice and delicious. Perfect, guys. So perfect. So I'm serving my roast chicken with roast potato, with broccoli, and with carrot. You can serve it with rice, with mashed potato, whatever you preferred. I hope you guys do enjoy this video. Please like, subscribe, share for many other videos. I thank you all so much for watching. Until next time, bye!